Hello and welcome to Project 1, How to Write an Effective Cover Letter. What is a cover letter and why do we need it? A cover letter or introductory email is your chance to introduce yourself. It allows recruiters to shortlist candidates for interview. The average person gets 100 to 150 emails per day. The average recruiter gets perhaps double. So your cover letter has maybe 40 seconds of their time. Essentially, it's a hook. It has to get the recruiter to open your CV and actually read it, not just glance over it. So, how do you make sure that happens? Start by planning. Jot down some notes about the job requirements, your experience and skills, and what you like about the job and the company. Why not pause the video now and take a few minutes to do that? Use the hamburger structure to write your cover letter and include these 5 essential elements to hook your recruiters in. Number 1, topic. Why are you writing? Start with, I am writing to inquire about the opening in, then put the title of the job offer. Number 2, support. What do you offer the company? Say something like, I have X years of experience doing such and such, or I am passionate about. This should be something linked to the job requirements to show how you can help the company. Number 3, explain. In one sentence, tell them who you are and why you are qualified for the job. If your past work experience is limited, you can choose to talk about one of the following: your studies, training, or languages you speak, which link to the job requirements. Follow this sentence with, which I believe makes me a strong candidate. Number 4, refer them to your CV. Tell them that it outlines your profile, skills, and accomplishments, which align with the key elements of the job advertised role. Why don't you include this information in the cover letter? Because you want them to open the CV. Number 5, conclude with a call to action. Say something like, I would love the opportunity to speak further if you think I would suit this or any other position in the company. This shows that you are interested in career growth and open to alternatives. And if they don't feel you're best suited to this role, they might offer you a different one. Why don't you pause the video now and take a few minutes to do that? Before you send anything, check over your work. Is there alignment? Do you outline why you want this particular job? Have you tailored your communication to the company? If so, sign off. And underneath your signature, include links to any professional social media which might help them get to know you better or which contains examples of your work. Want to take it to the next level? Why not include a video presentation or a carousel CV? Think of something which shows off your 21st century skills. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in class.